Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant here at the Curb at North 7 in Norwalk. Today I'm going to show you apartment number 228. This is a B4 2-bedroom. It's one of our larger 2-bedrooms at 1,395 square feet. Come on in here with me. First, we're going to check out our living space. We have our L-shaped kitchen right over here. Quartz countertops, taupe cabinets really make it seem bright and clean and modern. You have this movable island that you could turn sideways to save a little bit of space if you'd like, and then your stainless steel appliance package, including your refrigerator with the ice maker and the freezer, garbage disposal in your sink, dishwasher over here, and gas stove mounted microwave. Back this way we have our pantry and the coat closet right at the entrance here. And then what makes this apartment unique is this really large area off to the side of the kitchen and living space. You can use this as an office, or you can put your dining table over here. And then of course we have our nice large living space. Every apartment has our wall mounts already on the TV, so they're cable ready. And then you have these beautiful windows to allow in a lot of natural sunlight. Follow me on in here, we'll check out the master bedroom. You have a huge master bedroom. You can fit a bed as large as a king in here. Another wall mount right over here to save some space if you want to mount your TV. And then we have this amazing walk-in closet. Here we have our ensuite master bathroom. You have your double vanity with the double sinks here, tons of cabinet space under here to store all of your toiletries and belongings. You have your nice sized bathtub and shower over here. And then around the corner we have a linen closet. And then on the other side of the apartment we have our guest bedroom, great size guest bedroom, with another amazing walk-in closet. Definitely do not shy of storage space here. Now this is our guest bathroom. In here you have another very well-lit vanity, beautiful vanity with tons more storage, and another linen closet. And then over here we have your in-unit washer dryer. And now follow me back into the living space. Let's take one last look. And if you hadn't noticed before, all of our apartments have hardwood floors throughout the whole unit, which is great. And thank you so much for taking the time to tour with us.